And hello, I am back with another unboxing. This unboxing is kind of a little late, I would say. I thought I was going to be doing it at least a half a year ago. And what I mean by that is I was part of a Kickstarter that happened last fall in 2017. At least I think it was last fall, maybe October sometime, or can't really remember, but it's been a long time. And I came across this camera project that I was super interested in. It was a kind of different type of digital camera, had really kind of a film feel to it, and it was by a small company called Yashica, which they make some pretty bomb cameras back in the day, so I figured I'd give them a try. Now, admittedly, I thought Yashica was a Japanese company, and this company is based out of Hong Kong, so I don't know what's going on there. But what I can say is that the package finally arrived, and let's go ahead and get the camera into a better position to go ahead and unbox this baby, because I've been waiting way too long to get this going. So here is the Yashica Y35 unboxing. Okay, and welcome back. Here we have the package. Looks like it's here from Hong Kong. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but whatevs. Let's go ahead and get into it. Cool. This looks like it might be a lot easier to get into than I thought it would be. Alright, that's pretty cool. And here we have the Yashica camera. Silence's story. So that's what it is. Digifilm camera Y35. And this is a Kickstarter product that I backed. And as you can see, it's looking pretty official now, so there you go. Dear Yashica fans, thank you for your great support. Started out in 2017 of October 10th, so it's almost been, what, a year now? And it's now in my hands. I think I actually did the sponsorship a year ago, so I was one of the first ones. I know that, which is probably why I have one now. I know that they still have a shortage of these, so let's go ahead and cut into this. Shrink wrap off here. I'll put that aside. And how do I open this thing? Oh, it does look like there is. All right. And pop this bad boy open, and there it is. Looks good. Everything I ordered. Perfect. So this are the film simulations. This does 6x6. This is 200 speed film, black and white, and then 1600 speed film. And then this is the actual camera. Oh, that's where the memory card goes, I see. Interesting. Yep. So your 2 AA batteries and your film simulation goes right there. And then to shoot it, oh, this is to wind it, I think. I don't know, I'll have to take a look at it. That's pretty awesome. It does feel very plasticky. And then, it's an f2.0 lens. Kind of wonder how you change the aperture. Or if it's always at f2.0, which would be wide open, but yeah, there it is. Put that over to the side real quick. As I said, the 4 film simulations, which you do. Pull that out. Oops, this will come off. Okay, the USB cable, normal, and then some instructions on how to use it. Set the date and time. Okay, and then this is actually the instructions. Not much, pretty minimalistic. And then I guess this is the card that I was supposed to get for being a sponsor. Yep, the postcard. Alright. And that is it. Pretty simple. Plan on playing with this a little bit and then seeing how everything turns out. I'm quite curious as to how this will all work out in the end, but it's quite excited to see this come to life. Anyhow, until the next video.